Introducing WISRD, Wide Area ISR Discovery, developed by Sci1 Incorporated. Today's maritime threat landscape is saturated with noise, but not all vessels pose the same risk. WISRD empowers operators to cut through the clutter with risk-based filtering, prioritizing vessels based on factors like compliance history, smuggling patterns, and illegal fishing indicators. By integrating maritime intelligence feeds and historical behavior data, WISRD brings high-risk targets to the forefront so teams can focus attention and resource where they are needed the most. Once a vessel is flagged, WISRD can link data across multiple sources to generate a detailed vessel profile, including ownership records, registration inconsistencies, port call history, past violations, and behavioral trends. These profiles give operators a deeper understanding of intent, risk level, and potential network connections, turning raw data into actionable insight. To build this level of maritime awareness, WISRD seamlessly integrates data from industry-leading partners, including Gravity, Windward, Spire, SeaVision, and Hawkeye 360. These providers deliver high-resolution satellite imagery, AIS and RF tracking, behavioral risk scoring, vessel registry data, and global maritime domain intelligence, converged into one unified interface. WISRD also gives the users ability to generate statistical charts based on vessel attributes ingested from external sources, such as registry data, flag state, vessel type, risk category, and behavioral history. These charts provide a quantitative breakdown of vessel activity across designated maritime areas and domains, helping operators assess patterns, monitor changes, and identify anomalies over time. Building on that operational insight, WISRD allows users to overlay the ranges of friendly assets, including aircraft, maritime vessels, and ground units, directly onto the mission map. This gives planners the ability to visualize coverage, identify blind spots, and assess what platforms are best positioned to respond to emerging threats. In addition to on-demand tasking, WISRD supports the ability to schedule recurring missions, enabling persistent surveillance pattern, regular patrol coverage, or automated retasking based on time, location, or operational tempo. This ensures that high-priority areas receive consistent attention without overloading personnel with manual planning cycles. Operators can use WISRD to create and manage mission plans that align with real-world constraints and evolving threats. Patrol routes, surveillance areas, and response zones can be defined around priority targets or intelligence gaps. WISRD supports the entire mission lifecycle, including the ability to track asset maintenance schedules, availability windows, and crew readiness, ensuring only deployable resources are tasked. During execution, WISRD enables teams to track mission progress in real time, monitor asset positions, and view live feed or recorded sensor feeds, including imagery, telemetry, and full motion video collected by the platforms assigned to the mission. These capabilities help planners make informed decisions about asset allocation, minimize operational risk, maintain situational awareness, and ensure consistent coverage with limited resources. Beyond route planning, WISRD introduces advanced weather impact analysis. Users can generate customizable weather impact charts that display how forecasted conditions will affect both friendly and threat assets, from aircraft flight windows and maritime maneuverability to visibility limits for surveillance systems. WISRD enables point, area, and corridor-based weather analysis, allowing users to evaluate the feasibility of specific transit paths or patrol lanes rather than applying broad assumptions over entire regions. This level of granularity supports smarter go and no-go decisions, optimizing timing and safer mission execution in dynamic maritime and aerial environments. WISRD delivers more than data. It delivers decision advantage. From risk-based vessel filtering and mission planning to real-time operational control, WISRD empowers agencies to detect, track, and intercept maritime threats with speed and precision. The platform enhances maritime domain awareness, accelerates interdiction responses to drug trafficking, human smuggling, illegal fishing, and weapons transport, and helps reduce the operational burden on personnel and assets. With WISRD, DHS and mission partners gain a proven deployable solution, ready to protect our borders, secure our maritime approaches, and respond to emerging threats with confidence.